Hello everyone, John Sewell here from Florida Auction Network LLC. We are over in Leon County today. Look at these nice trucks Leon County has us selling. Got a 2012 Ford F750 asphalt truck, fully operational rigs, got the Cummins 6.7 liter, 155,977 miles on this unit, fully operational, electric and propane powered for the heating element for the propatcher on the back of this thing. That's a fully operational unit. Got everything on it you need to go straight to work. It's got the directional sign on the back of it to keep traffic off of you. Nice little electric lift for your temp. That's a fully operational unit. 2012 model Ford F750. That's at 155,000 miles, guys. It is ready to go to work for you. If you have any questions, my name is John Sewell. I'm the owner and the auctioneer. You can reach me at 850-896-2343. Thank you.